So today I'm gonna be doing a very quick video of fluffy slime. So we have to hurry up because my dad is about to be here. So I do not want him to find me wasting stuff. So what you're gonna need is some Glue-All glue or Elmer's glue, some OxiCleaner detergent, and some shaving cream and a spoon. And a spoon. So let's get started. So I just put it upside down for all the glue could come down. So I'm just trying to get all the glue out of here. So I really do want to do this quickly. Okay, so there is no more glue in there, so yeah. Now I'm just gonna add some shaving cream to this. And you can add as much as you want. So I'm adding blue because blue is my favorite color. So it is already forming a sticky consistency. I'm gonna add some more. You can add as much as you want. I can't use a lot because this is my dad's, of course. So now I'm gonna add the detergent. And you can add it all at once, but I don't know. I think he's here. So this is supposed to work. I'm just trying it quickly. I just added it all at once where it could be quick. I don't know why it's not working as well as I thought it would. Oh, it is working. It just looks weird. So it is gonna look very weird. So
de camping que tú pusiste conmigo cuando estaba durmiendo contigo.
I'm just getting all of the detergent out of here. Because remember, my dad is about to be here and I really don't want him to find out me with his. So I don't think this is working, to be honest. So if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna not try again because I don't have enough glue and so this is very sticky and all that. It is sort of like a slime-ish. And
no quiero eso en mi counter porque después no lo quiero limpiar. Okay, mira que ya está en el counter.
That's detergent.
No, mami, porque yo me he sacrificado. Tú no sabes todas las cosas de la cosa que ella está haciendo. Estaban por todo el piso. Y se estaban pegando con los zapatos.